Today on ChatEDU Check-In, Meta ties performance reviews and bonuses to AI usage. ChatEDU Check-In is sponsored by EduAid, where good ideas become great lessons. You can check out ChatEDU Check-In on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and be sure to catch the big show each and every Friday with Dr. Elizabeth Rade. Okay, this is from the Information's Applied AI newsletter in February. Jyoti Mann, 3 takeaways. Meta has launched a new performance review system called Checkpoint to measure AI integration. Leadership describes the tool as an evidence starter rather than a simple activity tracker, informing the summaries managers use to assign final impact ratings. The newsletter puts it this way. For instance, the company's AI-powered performance tracker looks at how many lines of code are generated by software engineers using AI tools, along with over 200 other data points. They include the number of errors or bugs associated with engineers' code, or the amount of code an engineer wrote themselves without AI. So this shift marks a critical question for those of us in education and workforce development. If industry leaders are using AI as a performance metric system, and those of us in K-12 and higher education and workforce development are still trying to decide what AI literacy means, how is it that we can possibly keep up and make sure that students and learners are in fact prepared? And to underscore that, takeaway 2, the company is offering significantly higher financial rewards for employees who demonstrate high impact through AI adoption. Under a revamped bonus structure, top-tier performers can earn a 200% individual bonus multiplier, while a specialized award offers 300% multiplier for those at the very top. These incentives are designed to reward a culture that prioritizes efficiency and more frequent feedback through automated summaries. Before we get to the third takeaway, a quick word from EduAid. Built by teachers for teachers, EduAid is an AI-powered workspace designed for real classroom planning. Recent updates add practical tools like grade-level evaluators, classroom-ready graphic organizers, and supports that turn rough ideas into lessons you can use tomorrow. No gimmicks, just tools that actually help teachers plan. And listen, you can get 50% off of EduAid if you use the code ChatEDU at checkout at eduaid.ai. And thanks to EduAid for their sponsorship. Okay, takeaway number 3, Meta is restructuring its workforce to favor individual contributors who can use AI to manage projects that previously required large teams. The shift towards flattening the organization has already led to some job cuts in divisions where automated systems can now handle more routine decisions more efficiently. Clearly, this would include software development. Leadership expects that by the end of 2026, these tools will fundamentally change the day-to-day operation and staffing needs of the company, something else we need to think about in K-12 and higher education. So listen, this effort to tie AI acumen to employee survival represents a huge structural gap between where we are in industry and education and workforce development. As industry leaders hardwire these tools to the workforce, schools and universities face the daunting task of evolving fast enough to ensure graduates aren't obsolete before their first performance review. So that's where we are. Drop us a review. Let us know what you think of ChatEDU Check-In, and we'll keep the conversation going. Again, ChatEDU Check-In can be heard each Tuesday and Thursday. Listen to the big show each Friday. And thanks again to the folks at EduAid for their sponsorship.